Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I have been working as a financial crime and compliance consultant in a UAE, especially in Dubai for a while. So after working here, what I have found out is that the regulation of UAE is quite fragmented, meaning that we have free zones, mainlands, commercial free zones, and for each of these zones we have a different regulatory authority. So for example, if we talk about Abu Dhabi global market, we have a FSRA, Financial Service Regulatory Authority, and they have developed their own sets of guidelines and rule book. So if we talk about Dubai Financial International Center, we have a Dubai Financial Service Authority, DFSA, and they also come with different rule books and regulation. And for mainland, we have Ministry of Economy and Ministry of Justice. So they have their own set of rules and regulation. So we have also Central Bank of UAE, right? Which also have a guidelines for various financial institutions, DNFBP, exchange houses, and so on. So we have also different federal laws on AML safety, which are applicable to all financial institutions. Beside this, we have virtual assets uh, that is called VARA. Okay, so virtual assets regulatory authority, they provide various rules and regulation to regulate virtual assets in Dubai. For me, at the beginning, it was quite challenging to navigate through these rules and regulation. So, what I did was I downloaded all those rules and regulation and created a chatbot using ChatGPT where I have uploaded all those rules and regulations that are applicable in UAE. Beside these rules and regulation, I have also uploaded guidance directives that are given to various financial institution, DNBP sectors, and so on. So as an example, let's ask this bot one simple question. Okay, what is the first step for GoML registration for DNFBP? Okay, now let's submit this question to this bot and let's look at its answer. Okay, so it has provided the answer, right? And if you notice that I have not mentioned anywhere in this question which country I am referring to, and if you see in the answer, it is providing the answer in context of UAE. The first step for GoML registration for designated non-financial business or profession in UAE is such and such, right? So this example clearly illustrates this fact that this chatbot is trained on various rules and regulation that are available in UAE. Now, I have made this bot available for public use. The only limitation with this is that you have to be a premium subscriber for ChatGPT. Kindly note that in no way I am promoting ChatGPT. So you can give it a try. You will find the link for this bot in the description section of this video. So if you want to connect with me, you can always find me in the LinkedIn. And if you have any queries regarding the bot I have created, you can just message me. Okay. So that's it for this video. Thank you for your valuable time. And please let me know if you have any suggestion, feedback, constructive ideas regarding this bot. Thank you and have a nice day.